Hello, everyone. This is Steve Afasi from Elite Business Insurance. I wanted to talk to you about manufacturer's insurance, how Elite Business Insurance can help you out and make sure you're covered for all the right angles regarding your manufacturing business. Elite Business Insurance is a full-service independent agency. We offer 24/7 customer service. We have access to all AM Best A-rated insurance carriers, and we shop your information around and we find you the best coverages for the best price. Now, depending on what sort of business you have, you're going to need different sort of coverages. So the main exposure for manufacturing insurance is going to be your general liability and your products completed operations exposure. So if you're manufacturing tires, if you're manufacturing food, if you're manufacturing salad dressings, if you're manufacturing water, if you're manufacturing anything, gold, silver, metal, whatever it is, you're going to need to make sure that you have products and completed operations. And what that is if you're producing a product, manufacturing a product, you don't want that product to be defective. You don't want it to injure somebody. You don't want it to cause property damage. Let's just take an example. There were cell phones that were created, and the cell phones were mass produced. People were purchasing them, and then the cell phones were lighting on fire and damaging, burning down people's houses, burning down people's cars. They were literally exploding in the possession of people, sometimes injuring people. So if you have a product such as a cell phone that does that, you're going to need protection, liability. It's not your intention. It's no business's intention to injure somebody, to injure property, but accidents do happen. If you're manufacturing food and there's a product in your food that happens to go bad, I know it's happened to many fast food restaurants out there where they have something in their chicken or something in their lettuce. Say they have some sort of salmonella poisoning and their food is giving everyone salmonella. Well, they're going to need to recall their products. They're going to need to pay out claims for medical bills to the people. So products and completed operations is very, very important. If you're manufacturing water and there's some sort of chemical that's in the water, in the plastic bottle, and it gets people sick, that's just another example. So manufacturing is very important to have the correct insurance for. It also covers you for if anyone gets injured. Say you have a factory and somebody wanders off into your factory and they get injured. They slip, they fall, they put their hand in the machine and crushes their machine. Other than an employee, that is what general liability insurance will cover you for. It covers you for false advertisement as well. It covers you for damage to a premise. If you're renting out a premise to perform work, it covers you for that. So that's the main exposure of any sort of manufacturing or products liability insurance policy. Now, if you have inventory, if you have contents, if you have a building, stuff like that, you're going to need a different coverage for that. And it's going to be a different policy. It's called commercial property insurance. And you can cover anything. If you're handling other people's contents and you're fixing other people's contents, or you just have a manufacturing plant that has a lot of money and inventory in it, a lot of tools, a lot of equipment, you need to make sure you're covered correctly. God forbid a fire happens. God forbid a hurricane comes and blows the building to the ground. You want to protect your business. Manufacturing is usually expensive. You got to patent the product. You got to hire employees. You're putting a lot of money into it. If it's your livelihood, if it's your money maker, you want to make sure it's protected the right way. So Elite Business Insurance, we specialize in the manufacturing industry. We also offer product recall insurance. So in the case that you ever have to recall a product, and you have to pay for the expenses to get all the product off the shelves, that would be expensive. If you have the proper insurance for it, it could save your business financially. So give us a chance, give us a call. We offer 24/7 customer service. We specialize in all lines of insurance, so we don't just do your liability. We could do your property. We could do your workers' comp, which protects your employees. If you have a manufacturing plant and one of your employees gets injured, you want workers' comp insurance to protect them from getting injured and loss of wages rather than it coming out of your pocket. You need to make sure you're protected the right way. So give us a chance, give us a call. We will not let you down. We'll make sure you're covered for all the right ways, and we'll give you the best price possible. 1-800-850-8819, Elite Business Insurance. We are elite.